UCO Bank is inviting online applications for the posts of Scale 1 and Scale 2 officers. There are totally 91 vacancies available under this recruitment process. For security officers, 9 vacancies. For engineers, 8 vacancies. For economists, 2 vacancies. For statistician, 2 vacancies. For IT officers, 20 vacancies. For chartered accountants, for Scale 1 and Scale 2 officers, 50 vacancies. For freshers, 25 vacancies. For 3 years experienced people, 25 vacancies. Let us check the selection process. For security officers, selection will be done based on only interview marks, no online exam for security officers. For engineers, economists, statistician, IT officers and chartered accountants, selection will be done in 2 phases. Under phase 1, they will conduct online examination. Under phase 2, they will conduct personal interview. For those who are qualified in the online exam, will be called for personal interview based on the vacancies available. The online exam pattern will be like this. There will be 200 questions for 200 marks and the time duration will be 2 hours. The questions will be asked from these sections like reasoning, English language, quantitative aptitude, professional knowledge. The application fee to apply for these jobs is for SC, STs and physical handicapped people 118 rupees. For unreserved economically weaker sections OBC categories 1180 rupees. Let us check the eligibility criteria to apply for these jobs. For security officers, the age should be between 21 and 40 years and the education should be a graduate and 5 years experience required in this and 5 years experience required. For civil engineers, electrical engineers and architect engineers, the age should be between 21 and 30 years and experience not required to apply for these posts and the education should be a graduation with 60% marks in particular disciplines like for civil engineers, civil engineering, for electrical engineers, electrical engineering. For economist and statistician also the age should be between 21 and 30 years and for economists, the education should be postgraduate in economics with 60% marks or PhD in economics. For PhD candidates, experience not required. For postgraduate candidates, minimum 2 years experience is required. For statistician posts, educational qualification should be post-graduation degree in economics statistics and experience is not required. For IT officers, chartered accountants also age should be between 21 and 30 years. The educational qualification to apply for IT officers is BE, B.Tech, MCA with 60% marks and minimum 1 year experience is required. Chartered accountant posts, freshers and experienced people can apply for these posts for Scale 1 and Scale 2 officers. For Scale 1 officers, experience is not required and educational qualification should be qualified chartered accountant. Before going to apply online, keep below necessary details to avoid any interruption in between the application process. First of all, scan the photograph and signature of the applicant and keep the online payment details to pay the application fee and have valid personal email ID and phone number to get intimations regarding the recruitment process. Let us check step-by-step procedure to apply online. These steps I will show in the live also. First, we have to go to UCO Bank official website, that is ucobank.com, and click on Careers tab and then Recruitment Opportunities. Then click on Apply Online button. After that, you have to click here for new registration and fill the basic information and click on Save and Next button. And then upload the scanned copies of photograph and signature and fill other required details and recheck the application and then pay the application fee. Finally, submit the application. After submitting the application, take the printout of e-receipt and online application form for future reference. Let us check the important dates to apply online. The online application process starts from 27th October 2020 and the last date to apply online is 17th November 2020. Between these 2 dates, you have to apply online. The scheduled date of online examination will be in the month of December or January. To apply online, first you have to go to the official website of ucobank.com. There you can find Careers tab. Click on that. After that, click on Recruitment Opportunities tab and then check for job opportunities in the year 2020. There you can find the Recruitment of Specialist Officers notification. If you want to apply online, click on Apply Online button. Here you can check the online application process starts from 27th October 2020 and the last date to apply online is 17th November 2020. To apply online, click on this link, click here for new registration. The application form will be open. There you have to fill the basic information first. After filling this basic information, you have to click on save and next button, so that the other page will be open. There you have to upload the photo and signature. After that you have to fill the required details and then check the filled application. After that you have to pay the application fee and then finally click on submit button to complete the online application process. Like this you have to apply online. This is the official notification of UCO Bank. Here you can check the number of vacancies and salary details and important dates about this notification. All these things already we have discussed in the video. If you want, you can check these details also before applying online. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for latest updates. Click on subscribe button and bell button so that you can get the latest videos notification.